Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start next lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 1, and as we know that we have read first 3 lessons from the same book, and the topic name is first sound of vowels, and we have done first sound of A, E and I, और उनका हमने होमवर्क भी किया, उससे रिलेटेड हमने पिक्चर स्टोरीज भी पढ़ी. And now we are going to start our next alphabet, which is O, and we are going to read first sound of O today. And we also have discussed about the vowel sound and the consonant sounds. So let's start our today's work. Yes, today we are going to read first sound of O, which is O. Yes. So and before that we have discussed that vowel sounds are the sounds which are produced with open mouth, and the consonant sounds are the sounds which produced with closed mouths. And here we have 5 vowel letters, और इनसे जो sounds produce होती हैं वो vowel sounds होती हैं, और consonant rest of the letters are consonant letters, और उनसे जो sound produce होती हैं they are called consonant sounds. So let's start our today's lesson. So students, we are going to open Iqra Phonic Reader 1 at page number 6 today, because we have to read page number 6 today. Let's start its reading. Okay, so first we are going to unglue and then we are going to glue. और आप लोग वीडियो को पॉज करके या मेरे साथ साथ भी इनको पढ़ सकते हैं. Okay, let's start. रॉब, और पिक्चर से भी पता चल रहा है रॉब का मीनिंग क्या होता है, चुराना या छीनना. क्लियर? रॉब, किसी की मनी को रॉब करना, चुराना या छीनना, डाका डालना. नेक्स्ट वन इज जॉब, जॉब, जैसा कि पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा है, डूइंग वर्क इज कॉल्ड जॉब. सो लेट्स रीड नेक्स्ट वन. Pod, pod. You can see in the picture also, it's pod. Rod, rod, आयरन की रॉड होती है. ओके, rod, rod. You can pause the video and you have to read the words also. Okay. Log, fog, लकड़ी के टुकड़े को लॉग कहते हैं, और फॉग किसको कहते हैं, सर्दियों में जो हल्की सी होती है फॉग होती है हमें, जिसमें धुंधला नज़र आता है, क्लियर नज़र नहीं आता, उसे बोलते हैं फॉग, और सर्दियों में होती है ये ज़्यादातर. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ मॉप, मॉप. ओके, और मॉप पता है ना आप लोगों को, इसे मॉपिंग करते हैं, फ्लोर की मॉपिंग करते हैं, फर्श साफ करते हैं जिससे, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मॉप. नाउ लेट्स रीड नेक्स्ट वन. टॉप, टॉय होता है जिससे खेलते हैं. नाउ लेट्स रीड द लास्ट वन. कॉट, कॉट किसको बोलते हैं, जिसमें छोटे बच्चों को बेबी कॉट होते हैं, जैसे जिनमें बच्चों को डाल दिया जाता है और इसमें वो सोते हैं और रहते भी हैं, खेलते भी हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉट, बेबी कॉट. लास्ट वन इज pot. Clear? You have to read all these words and you have to memorize all these words with spellings. आप लोगों ने ये इन्हें बार बार रीड करना है. एटलीस्ट इसे वीडियो को पॉज करें, उसकी 5 टाइम रीडिंग करें ग्लू और अनग्लू करके, सो दैट आप लोगों को इसे पढ़ना आ जाए और इसके स्पेलिंग भी प्रॉपरली लर्न हो जाए. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर कॉपी वर्क. You have to read this page for 5 times. Okay beta, let's start our copy work. Okay, let's start our copy work. You have to sharpen your pencil before you have to start doing your work, and you also need your stationery item before starting your work. Okay, let's open the copy and start work. Here we have index, एंड एज यू नो कि उस पेज के ऊपर पहले लेट्स चेक कि उस पेज पे कोई स्पेस है नेक्स्ट वर्क करने के लिए. ओके, सो वी हैव so 2 lines are not sufficient for next work. So what we are going to do, we are going to do our homework on the next page. So let's prepare this page for the next work. Okay, what we are going to do, यहाँ पर हमने ये कौन सी side है हमारी, it's left side. तो on the left side we have to draw a line which is 1/2 inch. Okay, we have to draw one line which should be 1/2 inch. Okay, now we are going to draw 2 lines on the. Okay students, we have to draw one line on the right side of the copy with 1/2 inch distance. There should be 1/2 inch distance and we have to draw one line on the right side of the copy, and we have to draw 2 lines with 1 inch distance, and yes, and we are going to draw 2 lines here. This is our first line, and now we are going to draw another line. Okay, now we are going to write date. So what's the date today? So we'll write date. Today is 17 June 2020, and here we have 25 Shawwal 1441. Okay, so now let's write our topic name. So we are going to double underline it. Like this. It should be neat and equal. Okay, now we are going to write any 4 word with sound O. Okay, and one more thing, we have forgotten to read our picture sentence. So let's read our picture sentence also before starting our copy work. Let's start reading. So here we are going to read on. Here's the person on got a job to mop the shop. On got a job to mop the shop. Yes, on got a job, he's working, to mop, he's mopping in the picture, the shop. Okay, you can pause the video and you can read it also. Now let's start doing our work. Okay, we have to write any 4 words. We have prepared our page, our copy is ready. So let's start. We write first here and write first word. Let's write rob. Second one, pod. Now third, caught. And last is log. You have to write any 4 words and don't forget to memorize these words. आप लोगों ने by heart learn करने हैं. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. And one thing more, yes, we have to manage our index. So today we have changed our page and our date as well. तो यहाँ पर हम date mention कर लेते हैं 17/06/20, and topic is same, but we have done the next work which is with O. So here we are writing O, and here page number is 2, and it will complete inshallah, and our next work will also complete on the same page. So we will write page from and to से टू ही लिखेंगे. Okay, and don't forget to show your work to your parents, and your parents signature should be here. So keep memorizing your work, and we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.